Looking to start throwing discs and wondering which ones actually make sense at the start? A lot of new players grab the wrong disc and get frustrated fast. This video is about the best disc golf discs for beginners. I walk through picks that make sense right from the first throw. Each disc can work better for different throwing styles and learning goals, so watching all the way through helps you see which one fits what you are trying to do on the course. You can find links to each disc down in the description. If this video helps, tap like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss future videos. If any questions come up, drop them in the comment section. Let's start with the first disc on the list. Number 5. Dynamic Discs Judge Putter. For number 5, this one makes a lot of sense for beginners who want something calm and predictable right away. It keeps things simple and helps build trust on the green without feeling tricky. The flight stays very straight with only a light finish at the end. That kind of movement helps new players focus on aim and release instead of fighting extra turn or fade. I like how it works for short putts, longer putts, and controlled approach shots without asking for changes in form. On shorter holes, it can handle smooth throws off the tee and still stay on line. The feel in the hand comes across as comfortable and clean. The plastic offers dependable grip in warm weather or cooler conditions, which helps keep confidence high during practice. It holds up well through repeated throws, making it a steady option for learning and repetition. This is the kind of disc that stays useful as skills grow, instead of getting pushed aside after a few rounds. Colors can vary, so the exact look is not always guaranteed. The weight sits in the standard tournament range, which keeps it familiar and easy to trust over time. One thing to keep in mind is that players looking for a strong finish at the end of the flight may find it too straight. For learning clean releases, touch, and control, this pick fits beginners extremely well. Number 4. Discraft ESP Buzz SS. Coming in at number 4, this one fits beginners who want a mid-range that feels smooth and easy to trust. It helps newer players shape cleaner lines without forcing extra effort. The flight leans straight with a gentle turn, which makes it great for hitting narrow gaps on the fairway. I like how it carries forward without dropping early, letting throws stay in the air just a bit longer. That glide helps newer arms reach distance without swinging harder. It works well for flat throws, soft anhyzer lines, and controlled shots where accuracy matters more than speed. The plastic has a comfortable feel in the hand and keeps grip consistent across different weather days. That steady feel helps build confidence during practice rounds and casual play. This disc sits right in the middle of the lineup, bridging the gap between putters and faster drivers. It gives beginners a chance to learn angle control without feeling unpredictable. There are multiple weight options available, which makes it easier to match different arm speeds. Colors can vary, so the exact look is a surprise at delivery. One thing to keep in mind is that stronger throwers may see more turn than expected over time. For beginners learning clean releases and smooth control, this pick stays friendly, useful, and easy to grow with as skills improve. Number 3. Latitude 64 Diamond Disc Golf Driver. Sliding in at number 3, this one is a great step up for beginners who are ready to throw a driver without losing control. It feels friendly right from the start and helps build confidence off the tee. The flight leans understable with a lot of glide, so the disc stays in the air longer without needing a fast arm. I like how it turns gently before settling down, which helps newer players see a full flight instead of a hard drop. That shape works well for open fairways, light hyzer flips, and learning how angle changes affect distance. The lighter weight plays a big role here. It makes throws feel easier and smoother, especially for players coming from casual frisbee tossing. The grip feels comfortable in the hand and encourages cleaner releases without slipping early. Over time, the plastic breaks in naturally, which keeps the flight easy to work with as form improves. This disc comes in bright colors like pink and blue, though the burst pattern and stamp can change. The lighter weight range gives beginners a better match for slower to moderate arm speeds. One thing to watch out for is windy days. The lighter build can move more than expected when conditions pick up. For calm rounds and learning distance control, this disc fits beginners who want more carry without feeling overwhelming. Number 2. Innova DX Leopard 3 Fairway Driver. At number 2, this pick works great for beginners who want a fairway driver that feels easy to control without feeling jumpy. It fits nicely between slower discs and faster drivers. The flight gives a gentle turn with a smooth finish, which helps newer players learn how release angle changes the path. I like how it can fly pretty straight on a clean throw, then show more movement if thrown harder. That makes it useful for learning shot shaping without needing perfect form. It works well on fairways where placement matters more than raw distance. The plastic has a familiar feel in the hand and stays comfortable during longer rounds. Grip feels natural and helps with clean releases, especially for players still dialing in timing. This disc sits at a speed that does not rush beginners, giving time to see the full flight and make adjustments throw by throw. Colors can vary, so the look might change from order to order. The weight range stays friendly for newer arms and younger players, yet it still works fine as skills improve. One small thing to keep in mind is durability. This plastic can wear faster over time, which may add more turn later on. For learning control, building confidence, and throwing repeatable fairway shots, this disc fits beginners who want steady progress without feeling overwhelmed. Number 1. Latitude 64 Opto River. Taking the top spot, this pick really shines for beginners who want control, glide, and confidence all in one throw. It feels like a natural next step after mid-ranges and does not rush the throw. The flight stays very straight, with a gentle turn and a light finish at the end. That high glide helps the disc keep moving forward without extra effort, which is huge for newer arms. I like how it holds lines cleanly, whether the throw is flat, slight hyzer, or smooth anhyzer. Tight fairways and tunnel shots feel less stressful with something this predictable. The plastic stands out right away. It has a soft, slightly gummy feel that sits comfortably in the hand and keeps grip steady across different conditions. It holds up well over time, so the flight stays consistent as rounds add up. This disc fits that sweet spot where beginners feel supported and more experienced players still find value for placement shots. Color options include bright choices like turquoise, pink, white, and yellow, though the foil stamp is a surprise each time. The weight range stays friendly for learning drivers without feeling too light. One thing to watch is windy weather. Extra glide can mean extra movement if conditions pick up. For learning fairway control, clean releases, and smooth distance, this one earns its spot at number 1. Getting started is all about finding discs that feel easy to throw and help build confidence one shot at a time. If anything you saw caught your eye, the links are waiting down in the description. Tap like if this video helped, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so new videos do not slip by. If you have questions, the comment section is there, and you can check out the other videos on the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.